This makes a massive difference because imagine two people have the same goal. They both want to reach conversational fluency. They both want to have conversations with natives. But this guy does flashcards reading 30 random nouns that don't really occur in conversations, like headphones, alien, and words like that. Versus this guy who learns two cognate rules. Words in English that end in Asian become acción in Spanish. Words that end in al in Spanish are the same in English. Words that end in Asian in English become acción in Spanish, like presentación, cancelación, and so on. And he learns them by speaking them, not by reading or writing. Who do you think is going to get closer to conversational fluency from that study? Obviously this guy, right? Because what he studied was more effective. It gave him more results for the effort that he put in. So that's what you study, okay? And that matters a lot. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.